Welcome to our video about Fortaleza, Brazil, a vibrant city that offers a rich cultural experience and breathtaking natural beauty. In this video, we'll explore the history of this region, the climate and seasons, the most popular beaches, top tourist attractions, local cuisine and culture, and more. Join us on this journey to discover the magic of Fortaleza. Fortaleza has a rich and diverse history that dates back to the 1600s, when it was first settled by Portuguese explorers. Over the centuries, it has been influenced by many different cultures and peoples, including indigenous tribes, African slaves, and European immigrants. Today, it is a thriving metropolis with a unique blend of modern and traditional elements. When is the best time to visit Fortaleza? The city enjoys a tropical climate, with warm temperatures and high humidity year-round. The rainy season runs from February to May, so it's best to visit during the drier months of July to December. However, even during the rainy season, there are plenty of sunny days to enjoy. Now let's get interactive with our audience. Leave a comment below and let us know what you're most excited to see and do in Fortaleza. Fortaleza is a coastal city in Brazil that boasts some of the most breathtaking beaches in the country. Among these beaches, Praia do Futuro and Praia de Iracema stand out as popular tourist destinations. Praia do Futuro is a lively beach that is well known for its excellent surf conditions and the wide variety of beach bars, restaurants, and nightclubs that line its coastline. On the other hand, Praia de Iracema is a more tranquil option, with calm waters and a relaxed atmosphere. However, for those looking for a truly unique beach experience, Jericoacoara is a must-visit destination. Located about 4 hours away from Fortaleza, this remote beach is a true hidden gem. The journey to get there is an adventure in itself, as it involves a bumpy ride in a 4x4 vehicle over sand dunes. But once you arrive, you'll be rewarded with clear blue waters, pristine sand dunes, and a laid-back atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation. Jericoacoara is a protected area, which means that there are strict regulations in place to preserve the natural beauty of the beach. There are no paved roads or streetlights, and the use of motorized vehicles is limited. As a result, the beach has a peaceful, untouched feel to it that's hard to find elsewhere. Visitors can enjoy activities such as windsurfing, kiteboarding, and hiking, or simply unwind on the beach and take in the stunning scenery. Overall, the beaches in Fortaleza offer a diverse range of experiences for all types of travelers, from the bustling energy of Praia do Futuro to the serene tranquility of Jericoacoara. No visit to Fortaleza would be complete without experiencing its top tourist attractions. These include the stunning Dragão do Mar Cultural Center, the historic Fortaleza Cathedral, and the bustling Mercado Central, where you can shop for local crafts and sample delicious food. One of the highlights of any trip to Fortaleza is the local cuisine. From fresh seafood to traditional Brazilian dishes like feijoada and churrasco, there's something for every taste. Be sure to try some of the local specialties, such as crab meat, grilled fish, and tapioca. Fortaleza is also known for its rich cultural heritage, from the colorful carnival celebrations to the capoeira martial arts and the local forró music. There's always something to see and experience. Don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and learn more about the people and traditions of Fortaleza. As we come to the end of our video, we want to thank you for joining us on this journey through Fortaleza. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this amazing city and all it has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. We look forward to hearing from you.